In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Asana app for free on PC. We'll walk through the entire process from getting to the correct download page, to installing the app, and finally logging in so your projects and tasks are synced and ready to go. Even if you're not very technical, just follow along and you'll have Asana running on your computer in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser on your PC. This can be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you normally use. In the address bar at the top, type in Asana Download and press Enter. You want to look for the official Asana website in the results. It should clearly show that it's the Asana download page. Always make sure you're on the official site so you know the file is safe and up to date. Once you're on the Asana download page, look for the button that says Download for Windows. This button is usually easy to spot and is specifically for Windows PCs. Go ahead and click Download for Windows. Your browser will now start downloading the installer file. You might see it appear at the bottom of your browser window or in a small downloads panel, depending on which browser you're using. The file you're downloading is an .exe file, which is the standard installer format for Windows applications. When the download is finished, click on that .exe file to open it. If you can't see it, you can also go to your Downloads folder on your PC and double-click the Asana installer there. Windows may show a security prompt asking if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is normal for installers. Click Yes to continue. The installer will now run and set up the Asana app on your computer. In most cases, it will install automatically without you needing to change any settings, and it should only take a few moments. When it's done, Asana will either open automatically or you can find it by searching for Asana in your Start menu. When the app opens, you'll see an option to log in. Click Log In to sync your account. Use the same login details you use on the Asana website so that all your existing projects, tasks, and teams appear in the desktop app. Once you're signed in, everything will sync, and you can start using Asana directly from your PC without needing to open your browser every time.